everyone, I'm teacher Casey from ESL with a Gypsy Soul, and thank you so much for catching my channel. So I want to share with you today about Instagram and about insights and analytics, and to see how your channel is doing, how specific pictures are doing, and how many people it's reaching, and if your tags are what's bringing people in or what's up. So let's jump on in. Okay, so here you can see that I am on my profile, and then you can scroll down and just click on a picture and go from there. So then once you do that, you can hit that and then you can see your analytics. So you can see view insights, and then you can see just how it's doing. So how many people have liked it, commented, how many people have sent it to other people, and how many bookmarks you've got. And then you can see also that it's reached quite a few people, which is so cool. And this is one of my highest engaging posts, and it's reached so many people. That's one of the best posts that I've had, and I'm so proud of it. It's about my Crikey Steve Irwin class, which is really cool. Anyways, you can scroll down and you can see how many people it's reached and how many people weren't actually following my account, which is actually a huge amount. So more people saw it that weren't following me than people that actually were following me. All right, and then you can also go into another post and just see how that's doing. You can see these numbers aren't nearly anywhere as high as my Steve Irwin post. And then you can just go and you can go into your insights this way as well. And I don't know, it's just really cool. So you can go in there and then you can see content, activity, and audience on the top. And then if you scroll down, you can see your weekly posts. So how many you've posted this week and how they're doing. So there you can just get a little overview of how many people have seen those posts. Very cool. And then you can go into your audience and you have your followers. I lost a few. No biggie, it happens. And then you can see genders, how many men and women are following you, and I don't know, it's just kind of cool to see the difference. So I have a lot more women following me. And then yeah, so that's just really helpful. You can see how your post and how your page is doing overall. I think this has been so helpful to actually see this, and it really helps your page. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Have a great one. You rock.